Look at them. Soft eyes, wagging tails, sleeping on our couches, stealing our food, following us everywhere. Dogs are our favorite pets. Loyal, cute, familiar. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Dogs are not naturally like this. They were shaped by us. For thousands of years, humans selected them. Smaller, friendlier, floppier, less aggressive, more obedient. Dogs didn't evolve this way by accident. We designed them. Now imagine this. One day, humans disappear. No food bowls, no vet visits, no warm houses. Dogs escape their homes, not as pets, but as survivors. At first, many wouldn't make it, but the ones that do survive, they start to change. Within a few generations, dogs go feral. They form packs. They hunt instead of beg. They stop barking, because barking gives away their position. Floppy ears disappear. Extreme colors fade. Short snouts that can't breathe vanish. Natural selection takes over. Not the cutest dogs survive. The smartest and strongest do. Over time, something incredible happens. Different environments create different dogs. Lean desert hunters, forest ambush, predators, cold climate pack runners. They don't remember being pets. They become something new. And this isn't science fiction, because it already happened, around 4,000 years ago. Domestic dogs arrived in Australia with early humans. Then humans stopped controlling them, left alone. Dogs went wild. Over generations, they transformed into dingoes. Longer legs, narrow skulls, strong jaws. Pack hunters rarely bark. They howl, not pets. Not wolves. A rewilded dog lineage shaped entirely by nature. Today, dingoes are apex predators. They control ecosystems. They even protect biodiversity. They are living proof that dogs can go back. So if humans vanish tomorrow, dogs wouldn't vanish with us. They would adapt. They would harden. They'd reclaim the wild. And thousands of years from now, someone or something might look at them and wonder, were these once pets? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to support us, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.